You know what? I need. You know what? I'm buying a truck. Actually, SUV.
He's been saying this for what, like 5 fucking years?
Hey.
Oh!
Hey, tell them that you know how women buy shoes? Okay, that's how I
How do women buy shoes? That's how he is with cars.
I buy a new one every 6 fucking months.
New one every 6 fucking months.
Do you have to repeat everything I
have to repeat everything he has to say.
You're fucking retarded.
I'm fucking retarded.
Should probably not kill us.
Don't kill us, please.